Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Trypanosomes. Trypanosomes are flagellated protozoa which live in blood stream. So here we have our trypanosomes. They are living in blood stream. These are red blood cells here. These are red blood cells. And these ones are the trypanosomes. They are flagellated protozoa. You can see the flagella. Flagella, this string here that you see, is attached to one end. And if you look at this one, it comes from here. That one is what we call the flagellum. They are flagellated protozoa that live in blood. There are several different species of trypanosome, and they cause diseases such as sleeping sickness and Chaga disease. And in cattle, they cause nagana. Sleeping sickness and nagana parasites are transmitted by the bite of a tsetse fly. So these parasites, the trypanosomes, they are transmitted by bites coming from tsetse flies, and they cause sleeping sickness, Chaga disease, and in animals like cattle, they cause nagana. The tsetse fly has a tubular mouthpart like that one of a mosquito, and these pierce the skin to suck blood from the capillary. If the tsetse fly bites an infected person, it sucks up the trypanosomes with the blood. So when the tsetse fly comes and sucks blood from an infected person, it will go with the blood, but at the same time, it is going to go with the trypanosomes. The trypanosome, they will multiply in the body of the tsetse fly, and they will invade the salivary glands. Then the fly may bite a person, another person who is healthy, and it will inject the saliva into the healthy person, and this saliva contains the trypanosome. Now, we are seeing that again, this tsetse fly has gone to go and pick blood from another person who is healthy. But what is going to happen? It is going now to introduce the trypanosome in the blood of a healthy person. So that person now is also going to be affected by the trypanosome. But before inside the sesefly's body, the trypanosome are going to multiply in the sesefly's body, and they will invade the salivary glands of the sesefly. So when the sesefly goes and bites a healthy person, it is going to inject saliva into a healthy person, and this saliva contains the trypanosomes. So they are going to be introduced into the blood of a healthy person. The prevalence of seseflies in some areas makes it impossible to raise cattle because of the high incidences of nagana. In the place where we have very many houseflies, it becomes really very difficult or impossible to raise cattle because of the high level of nagana, which is caused by the trypanosome coming from house seseflies. The main method of control involves attempts to reduce the population of seseflies. All the methods of control that are applied, they are attempting to reduce the population of the seseflies. And this one can be done by use of insecticides or changing and removing the vegetation from the areas where the seseflies breed from. But these methods are only partially successful. Spraying of the air, for example, it is ineffective if the flies are always resting at the underside of the leaf. So that means that when you spray on the leaf and seseflies are below, hiding underneath, then the chemical will just stop on the surface of the leaf. So it is not going to be effective to destroy these flies because they are hiding away from the spray. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in Trypanosomes. Please do like, share, and subscribe.